Yeah, look, the block's a very different kettle of fish.
I can tell you it's a lot of work.
It's the biggest, most popular sales campaign of the year for any house in the country.
Inevitably, we always have a few inquiries of people that perhaps aren't as genuinely interested in buying and more just curious to have a look.
So it's really about filtering through down to the real, genuine people that have their real intentions to purchase and bid on the day.
Working as an agent on the block listing isn't as glamorous as you might think.
It's a lot of fun. I have to say it's been great, but it's packed with a lot of anxiety.
We do get a lot of text messages and pats on the back saying, I saw you last night on the show and well done and these sort of things.
I'm from the Buxton Hampton East office. The show's literally about 70 metres from our office, so it's just really fantastic.
When you compare the block campaign, say, to a regular home, like we actually are selling the house next door, it's a very different process. It's much more time intensive.
The campaigns go for 2 to 3 months, not 4 weeks. They want a lot more than a general vendor. There's so many things going into like parties.
There's fan days, there's VIP nights, there's buyer nights.
Normally, you'd find that a sale $20,000 or $30,000 above the reserve is considered a great success. On the block, they're really pitching for $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 over reserve price at times.
And I guess because you're in front of the Australian public, it completely changes the dynamic. As the agent, I feel responsible that you're representing their fans too. When the moment comes, you want to make sure that you're at your absolute best.
I actually enjoy the pressure. Yes, I'm on television, but that's okay.
I'm a first timer on the block, so this is all new to me, and I've been in the industry for 30 years. I have to say it's terrifying, but the block's all about challenging yourself.
Obviously, being on our 5th season now, we're far more relaxed about the process than we were back in 2018.
This job to me is sport, so I don't think there's any pressure there. I just want to be able to make sure I get as many buyers through the property as possible to get that vendor the best price.
I think the one thing that's beautiful about working on the block, particularly this year, is there's a good sense of camaraderie amongst the other agents.
I just find it as a real honour to represent, that TV show, and it's being in our backyard, so it's a real joy.
But certainly has its moments where, you're high stress. That's okay. We love it.